So I realized I've never done the tour before. So that will be the engine room, currently the empty room. We turn around forward. This is the helm station, and this will be the deck area. This is the extremely secure, non-lockable front door. This is a storage area, open storage. This is the forward cabin, the only cabin, currently a workshop. Now, if I can just squeeze myself in here. There's a beautiful storage compartment, not with the entertainment system. And port side, another storage compartment. With 1, 2 speakers, of which one is working. Then, if we go even more forward, there is a hatch. Let's see if I can open this. And then if we look to the back, that's the whole boat. Now I need to get myself out again. Oh my gosh. Sure. Right, let's go along the outside. Quick update on sanding. Most of that has been done. Now I need to remove the bimini or canopy or awning, that thing, and start on the top. Unfortunately, we've had a lot of rain, so sanding came to an abrupt halt, and that's what I have for you. There was about 2.5 weeks of non-stop rain. Check you on the next one.